Have you seen the videos of the earthquake that has happened in Bangkok? Bangkok has faced one of the biggest earthquakes in our times. The scientists are saying 7.7 magnitude, and the videos that are emerging online, first of all, starting with a video where workers were working on this construction site with this story building, and when this earthquake struck, just imagine the whole building came down like in a matter of seconds. It is one of the most shocking videos I have watched today. There's another video showing how a train at a train station was shaken by this earthquake. You cannot imagine the magnitude of that earthquake that is even shaking the train that is just stationary at the station.